Hey guys, welcome back. In the last lecture, we implemented the refund notification email for admin users and we send email from the Rails console. Now, in this lecture, we will send refund notification emails to the admin user and customers from the update action of the refunds controller after calculating the refundable amount. So, to do that, let's open the refunds controller first. So, switch to the project directory, and here you can see that I am in the update action of the refunds controller, and in this update action, we just need to call the mailer actions after updating the number of tickets into the refund model. Okay, so to call this, what we can do, let's go to the Rails console. Okay, and you know that we call this mailer from this Rails console, so you can just copy this. Okay, just copy this and paste it here. Okay, and just paste it again and replace the admin by customer. Okay, so let's add customer here, customer, and add at the rate to this refund in object. So at the rate, sorry, at the rate here and at the rate here as well. Okay, and save this. Now after updating this, let's switch to the browser and create a new booking. Okay, so go to the browser and go to the home page. Okay, and now what you need to do, that you can see that all these upcoming workshops, so book any of the work, sorry, create a booking for any of the workshops. Okay, so let's provide the details here. Let's say Kapil Singh Gujjar, and then contact number, and then number of tickets you want to book. So let's say 10 tickets he wants to book, and let's provide the card number here and provide the CVV and provide the month and then year 2023. Okay, now click on the book your tickets now, and when you submit this form, you will see that a booking will be created for this user. Okay, so your tickets has been booked, and you can see this mailer preview. Here is your booking ID, booking, and then this is the some random string. Okay, so copy this booking ID, and we will paste this into we will use this booking ID to create a refund. Okay, so now let's go to the browser again. Okay, and what we can do here, see, after 3000 refunds new. Okay, and now let's provide this order number here. Okay, and click on the check your eligibility, and you can see your booking request is valid, please fill other details to process your refund request. Okay, so let's provide number of tickets to be refunded. So it is, let's say I want to refund 6 tickets. Now submit your request. Okay, so when you click on submit your request, you will see that two emails has been sent. Okay, so first email has been sent to the admin user. A refund request is submitted for this workshop by Kapil Singh Gujar. This refund request confirmed as valid, and you need to take further action to proceed the refund for the customer. Okay, and these are the details. Okay, and this is the email which is sent from for the to the customer. Okay, so this was the purpose of this lecture. Now from the next lecture, we will start working on building refund features at the admin side, like refunds controller, listing active refund request on the admin dashboard, and so on. Okay. So thanks for watching this. Let's try this at your end and try to send email from the controller action. Okay. Because in the last couple of lectures, we saw how to call mailers from the Rails console. Now you can call your mailers from the controller actions. Okay, so let's give this a try. Let's give this lecture a try at your end. Okay. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.